Today I'm going to be showing you a very simple peanut and garlic spaghetti recipe. This spaghetti is very delicious and easy. So I'm going to be using a couple of ingredients, and if you're new here, welcome to Infoods Specials, where the recipes are always simple. To start off, I have a pot of boiling water over here, so I'll move to my pan. And on medium heat, I'm going to add my butter. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of cooking oil. Next, I'm going to add my crushed garlic and minced onion, which is a paste, onion paste. Then I'll stir. While my garlic and onion are cooking, I'm going to add salt to my boiling water. Next, I'm going to add my spaghetti. Then I'll use my tongs and stir in my spaghetti. Next, I'll check on my garlic and onion, and you don't want to brown the garlic. So to this, I'm going to add my peanut butter. Then I'll add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. I'm eyeballing, so 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and I'll give it a good stir. You can see how creamy it has turned. At this point, you reduce the heat to low and let your sauce cook for about 1 minute. So I'll check on my spaghetti and make sure that they are not overcooked. My spaghetti are al dente, so I'll switch off the gas. Then I'll preserve a cup of spaghetti water. I'll keep this to the side. Then I'll go and drain my spaghetti. So this is how my sauce is looking after 1 minute. So to this, I'll add my bell peppers. Then I'll add my reserved water, just a little bit of it. Give it a good stir. Next, I'll add my spaghetti. Add carrots. I'll use my tongs to stir in the carrots, bell pepper together with the spaghetti. Because I had added a little bit of salt while boiling my spaghetti, I'm going to add just a little bit. Continue stirring. And it's smelling amazing. So this is a very nice way to have your lunch or dinner in a matter of minutes. So this recipe is for 3 people. And if you're not that hungry, you can share 4 people. So this is how they're looking. They're smelling amazing. So lastly, I'm going to garnish with my green onions, sesame seeds, stir in, and I'm ready to serve. So I'm going to serve my spaghetti in my plate. This looks amazing. This peanut garlic spaghetti is the best thing that ever happened to you because they're so good and very tasty. And also, don't forget they're very creamy from the peanut butter. Yeah, and that taste from the peanut butter gives it a very nice taste. So I hope you try and make this absolutely delicious spaghetti recipe, and you will definitely love everything about it.